there is a social media push to donate 2 cows to Jacinta Ngobese, which I don't really have a problem with that. I mean, anyone can donate to whoever they want. And if they want to give Jacinta Ngobese 2 cows for whatever reason they want to give her, maybe for illegal immigration to support her in whatever she's doing. But lately, she's talking about immigrants generally, not really illegal immigrants. But anyways, that's besides the point. The point that I'm trying to make is that as people, it shows that we have a potential. As South Africans, we have the potential to actually push a movement and actually support it financially, which also reminds me that anything we want to achieve as South Africans, we can actually do it, right? This other guy was talking about the fact that what if every South African were to donate 1 rand? 1 rand to a common cause. Maybe you want to get rid of child hunger, maybe unemployment, we want to create skills, because if we actually donate together and actually give it to someone we can trust, because nowadays it seems like there's no one we can trust with money, maybe BI Pagati or something like that. I don't know. But we need to find someone who we can trust with finances, with money, who will be able to handle the money. Or even worse, something that we haven't really thought about, because many people don't really trust politicians. We can actually donate to a politician and tell them, okay, this is what we want as the people, right? If, let's take for an example, we want to get rid of, not potholes, something that would benefit the people directly. Okay, let's take for an example a skills program. A skills program that maybe has to do with maybe broiler making or boiler making. Is it boiler making? Yeah, that skill, right? Also skills that have to do with ukshisela, making gates, steel, combining skill and all of that. Skills, basically, building skills and all of that, electricians, basic things. We can actually combine our money and give it to a politician and say, okay, drive this. And the people that are saying that the politician will eat that money, they won't eat that money because it's coming from us physically. We will hold them accountable directly. They cannot just eat our money. They cannot do that. That's not how it works. Usually they get to eat government money. It becomes easy when it's government money. But if it's directly from the people, it's never really easy. Any politician we can trust. I mean, Vuyo from ATM, I think he's trustworthy in a way. He would be able to push that certain movement. So we must not just donate to movements that push hate, because obviously, March and March and this lady is not like she's pushing it's a good message, but it's a hateful message. You get what I mean? We should strive for